Can an LLC file taxes as S corporation? Yes, an LLC can file taxes as an S corporation by submitting Form 2553 to the IRS. This election does not change the LLC's legal structure, but changes how its income is reported and taxed. With S corporation taxation, the owner takes a reasonable salary that is subject to payroll taxes. Any additional profits can be distributed as dividends, which are not subject to self-employment tax. This setup can save money on taxes if the business generates more profit than the owner's salary. To qualify, the LLC must have fewer than 100 members. All members must be U.S. citizens or residents, and the LLC can only have one class of ownership. Additional payroll requirements and tax filings come with this election. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and handle the S Corp election paperwork so your taxes are optimized. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.